Welcome back to Little River Woodworking. Winter has arrived here for the third time. It is now April 8th, and last night was negative 15, which is about 3 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's where we're at right now. I'm so brittle because of all the cold. So anyway, let's build another planter. This planter uses 2 fence pickets. We're going to use cedar for it, and we're going to put this profile on it because that helps sell it. And you're going to see a video linked at the end of this one so you can make the profile in the boards yourself. And you can make it out of pressure treated if you want to, but this is what I'm using. You might notice that my cedar pickets look pretty good. I've got some comments about that, and I'm going to explain after the build exactly where I get them from and why they're different than maybe the ones that you have. All right, now let's get to it. Here's how the fence pickets will look after they are all cut up. All right, so there we have it. Thank you for watching. Shop is still under renovation because it's so cold that I can't tape the drywall. I'm trying to build my miter station here. So that's why we're kind of sticking with the small planters, and it is planter season. That's where the money's at right now. So we got a couple more planters coming up, a couple small ones, and then followed by some real nice big ones. And then we're going to move into some patio furniture after that. Okay, so addressing cedar, like I said, here's one of our cedar fence pickets. As you can see, there's no dog ears on them. And they're calling this premium naughty cedar. And this is what we get at the Home Depot in Canada. So this is about $8.40 when converted to American dollars. About it's about $12 Canadian when you get the tax on there. So they're a lot more expensive. I looked online in Niagara Falls, New York, as comparison, because it's as close to Canada as I could get reasonably. And it was less than $3 a board. Now, I know they don't look as nice as this, but that's a whole lot of difference in price. So somebody was asking how you actually make money using these, and truth is, there's not a ton to be made. So like this 3-picket planter here costs basically me $35 to make. So for my own thing, I use these, which I get them from a supplier here, which are just a tongue and groove, and they look really nice. And they're about 50 cents a piece US. So that's about half of what the other ones cost. But I'm not building out of those right now because you guys can't get that. So I'm using the closest thing that I can get to what you can get, which is why I'm doing this. And then this one, I would really love to hear what you guys in the States have to say about this, because this is a cedar deck board. And here this runs about $18 at the Home Depot, which translates to about $14.24. And I looked at Lowe's, and their boards for the exact same size are $26 American. Now you tell me if that's right in your area, because that is ridiculous. Okay, now having said all of that, definitely leave comments and we'll get a little back and forth, and maybe we can learn some stuff from each other. In the meantime, like I said, if you want to see how this planter's made, just click a box over here. And if you want to see how the profile's made, click the box over here.